I'm Lindsay Hochul from Speechy Things, and today I'm going to show you how I use the Bjorem R coarticulation cards in therapy. First of all, you can use them to target initial R words. There are 12 different initial R cards, all with their own adorable artwork in the deck. The second way is to target final vocalic R words. They are color-coded, and there are 6 different variations, right? So there's air, ear, ire, r, or, and all in the deck. The third way is to target medial or intervocalic R words like airing. Every card has the possible word combinations listed on the back to make it really easy for you to come up with words in therapy. Another example is foreign. It makes this deck super versatile. There's over 77 combinations that you can create. The fourth way you can use this deck is actually for elicitation of the R sound. There's a lot of really great facilitating context in the deck. I have them listed in this image in the insert you can find inside the box. One of my favorites though is earring. The fifth way to use the deck is to practice R at phrase level. You can do this by picking a word like were that you turn into a carrier phrase where you can say a lot of different combinations. We're running, we're singing, we're, and then insert a verb. Or you can make really silly phrases like ring wren or ripture. A sixth way to use this deck to target the R sound is to create silly non-words. Worrip, churro, reed sire. You get the idea. The seventh way you can use the Bjorem R coarticulation cards to target the R sound is by creating a silly story. Maybe you have the child pick up a couple of random cards and now they have to incorporate each one into their story. And that's a great way to practice at the conversation level. Other ideas to practice at conversation level would be to choose a card and maybe act it out to play a game of charades, or to give each other clues and make it a guessing game. So like for this one, maybe I'm going and my friends have to guess what I'm trying to act out. And finally, you can use this deck to target other speech sounds. You could even use it to target language goals like multiple meaning words. Air is a great example. Higher, we have illustrated both meanings. And read. You can also target vocabulary, WH questions, all sorts of things. I hope some of those ideas are helpful for you. I cannot wait to hear how you use the Bjorem R coarticulation cards in your sessions. They've been a game changer for me. That's why I created them, because I needed them so desperately in my sessions as an R sound specialist. Thanks again so much for watching. I'm Lindsay from Speechy Things. You can find these cards at bjoremspeech.com. If you want more information about the R sound, you can find me at speechythings.com. Thanks for watching.